Okay, as I was saying, excuse me for the pause of the video because I was fixing the earpiece. I lost the screw for this one, so I found it. So we are done fixing the earpiece. So right now we are going to fix the home key, the home button. So first of all, we put this rubber, the home key itself. Okay. Okay. So right now, this is the screw that they used to cover to screw it up, so that when you press the home key, it will not remove from the back. So you screw it back. Okay. Okay. You have to screw this side very well so that the phone can close very well. Okay, now I think we are done. We have to try the screen now and see whether everything is working perfectly or not. Excuse me. Okay, so you first connect the screen. This is the screen over here. You can see. You do it very carefully so that you may not damage the screen connector. You have to do it gently. See the work, you have to take time to do it very well. So okay, press it very well so that everything will be very well connected. And we are going to connect the touch too. Okay, as you can see, I connect all of them. Now we are going to connect the earpiece. This cable is connected to the earpiece so that when you are making calls, you can hear your callers. So clip it. Okay, now everything is connected. So now we are going to try to connect the battery and try the screen to see whether the screen is working perfectly. And close it like this, and we on it. Now the power, okay, as you can see. The battery is down, so I think I need to charge it a little bit. Okay. So we wait for the phone to load up and see. We try the touch to see whether everything is working perfectly. The touch, everything is screen, everything is so. Just wait a little bit. Should be on by now. It's taking time small. iPhones, they used to take time small before they on. Okay. Yeah. Now we have the screen. You see, the power key is having problems, so I'll work on that right now, but this is not part from this video, so we'll talk about that one later. You can see the touch is working very perfectly. When we go to emergency mode, you see everything is okay now. We have our screen back, So now we are going to turn it off so that I'll check the power side. So thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you next time. Have a nice day.